passe. Johnny Cage, cause I stay low from the grave. Just like that reference, I'm trying to get paid. Finish him. Johnny Cage, keep a pair of shades. Johnny Cage, cause I stay low from the grave.
Hey, what's up guys? It's been a while since I've actually came out and made a video, and as you can see, I no longer have a quad or a Yamaha Blaster 242 stroke, but I did get another 2-stroke. Let's check this out. So yes, as you have seen, if you follow me on Instagram at Chase Ekins or at Rap Lives Matter, I've got a new bike. 1999 Yamaha YZ125. Let me show you a few things we've done with it. First off, let's look at the handlebars. I have Pro Taper half waffle grips. Let's see if it'll focus. It's not wanting to focus, what the heck. Anyways, Pro Taper half waffle grips, Pro Taper bar pad, got a brand new seat cover, an Enjoy seat cover, ribbed, and I have a new back tire on it. Just got this put on yesterday. This thing's pretty sweet. This bike will rip. Absolutely rip. Got Pro Action. Oh, that's not focusing. Pro Action valve body system forks. Pro Action back suspension. And whoever had this before me raced it for Lemons Racing. And so it's got all sorts of upgrades. All sorts of upgrades. But what I find weird is that he would put, you know, bore out everything, put short gears in it, yet look at that. Stock exhaust. Like, why would you do that? Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much my new bike, in a sense. Let's start this baby up and see if she rips. Well, I probably can't ride her, but I'll start her up for you. How about that? Gotta get your butt plug out.
Twenty minutes later.
Now she cranks. So anyways, guys, if you like that video, make sure to subscribe and share. And sorry if I sound weird, I'm kind of weak because I've been sick. Gotta get my plug out. Anyways, thanks for watching.